This 2021 Keystone Arcadia 3770RL is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, your control panel greets you as soon as you enter. This includes controls for your lights, slides, awning, and other miscellaneous functions of your trailer. Moving on into the main living area, you'll notice your large kitchen. This includes a farmhouse sink, a 3-burner gas cooktop with an oven, a convection microwave, and a fridge. Next to this is a dining table, recliners, an entertainment center, and a sofa that can be converted into a bed. On the island is a fold-up table with 4 GFI outlets and 4 USB charging ports. In the master bedroom is a queen bed and a spacious closet. At the foot of the bed is cabinet and trunk storage. And on the ceiling is one of your 2 Coleman Mach AC units. Returning outside, make note of the location of your water connections, TV inputs, and leveling system. Next to your entry door are 2 exterior speakers. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.